være sjovt at lave en fodboldturnering på Rådhuspladsen. En superturnering, så alle de bedste hold i Rødovre kan komme til slutten. Lad os prøve. Gutter, kom med målet! Se nok, det er vi fandt købet! Det er pissegodt. Det er godt. Som en del af festivalen til Rødovre Festival, så kommer der også til at være en superturnering, hvor alle dem, der har lyst til at lave et hold, kan deltage. Hvis du skaffer 10 mænd, 7 selvfølgelig på banen, og så 3. Gutter, bold, ny bold, hvis det er. Så kan I deltage i den her fodboldturnering, hvor man spiller forskellige kampe. Og så vinderne, altså vi får lov at få 10 mand gratis med at se Rødovre Majtebrugs første åbningskamp på hjemmebane. Det er pisse hyggeligt. Så hvis I tror, I kan slå de her fodboldtosser her, så skynd jer at lave et hold og troppe op den 18. Og så lad os spille fodbold. Hygge jer. Ha' en god dag. Det er pisse hyggeligt.
You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you at all. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you at all. You need me. I sing, I write my own tune and I write my own verse. Don't need another wordsmith to make my tune sell. Call yourself a singer-writer, you're just bluffing. Names on the credits and you didn't write nothing. I sing fast, I know that all my shit's cool. I will blast and I didn't go to Brit school. I came fast with the way I act right. I can't last if I'm smoking on a crack pipe. And I won't be a product of my genre. My mind will always be stronger than my songs are. Never believe the bullshit that fake guys sweet to you. Always read the stories that you hear on Wikipedia. And musically I'm demonstrating. Whenever I perform loud feels like I am meditating. Times in the studio when SBTV film me. Young singer-writer like a Gabriella chill me. Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you at all. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you at all. You need me. And all I want in this cold world is to make music and use it, not to abuse it and get infected with the who's who of music. Who did it, who is it, who's in it, who, what the hell does it matter? Chitter chatter don't matter, all the yada it don't matter to me. All I want is a bit of dignity in me to battle this industry freely, to be me in the seedy needy world. Can you hear me? Hey. So I keep singing that when I first started this rapping shit off of pressure from haters. Became invaded with sadist and just developed a hater radar. I'm made for the stars, came my grind in the dark. Then I paid with the remedy, kicking rhymes as the melody, Hennessy shots. And all these rules on the block, he said you got to be a gangster now to raise the top. I'm just a normal, casual, usual, everyday type of guy with my head in the sky. Ed Sheeran, urban angel, coming ready to die. So see the signs, stand to the side, open your eyes and take a look and realize.